Hello, this is Adam from WordPress In the last video, we talked about on how to purchase a domain for your website, how to do the right research on Google keyword tool, and how to purchase it. And we purchased VideoWordPress as an example, and we purchased it with GoDaddy. They're one of the top domain providers out there, so I recommend them to buy a domain. Now they do provide hosting, but I don't recommend their hosting just because it's their servers are kind of slow and they're more expensive than others. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to your hosting, which basically the first step we're going to sign up for a web hosting company. We're going to change the name servers on your domain with GoDaddy, with the original company that you bought the domain with, and then we're going to add your domain to your hosting. Now, don't get scared, it seems that's complicated, but I'm going to guide you through it step by step. So the first step is to find the right hosting company for your website. I usually use easywebhostingreviews.com just because they have all the information that you need to know about all these hosting companies right in one place, and they even have videos to talk about them. So if you go to easywebhostingreviews.com, you can click on WordPress web hosting, which is that's the type of website that I'm going to be building for video WordPress tutorials. And if you go here on this page, they're going to show you the top 10 WordPress hosting providers here. They're all pretty good. They have just different features, different pricing, but they all do the same thing. Personally, I like HostGator. I've been with them for quite some time, so if you click on their page or any of those pages, you're going to see all the details about how much it costs, what kind of features they have, what are the services that they provide, and if they have any coupons that you can use to get some money off. So I'm going to go to HostGator, and if you can see here, they charge about $4 per month for shared hosting. If you click to view web hosting plans, you can see that they have 3 plans here. You can read about them and see which one you like the most. I mean, the only difference between this one and this one, that this one will give you a single domain, while this one will give you unlimited domains, meaning that you can install as many websites as you want on this package, while you can only install one on the Hatchlink plan. Both of them, they have unlimited disk space, meaning that you can add as many pages, content, images, and videos that you like to your hosting, to your website. And both of them, they have unlimited bandwidth. The bandwidth deals with how many people can access your website at the same time. So when you're building a website, keep in mind that it's going to take a while till your website start ranking and get a lot of visitors. So a shared plan will do at the beginning. Any of these plans will do. This one will offer you a little extra. The business plan, they give you a free SSL private certificate and an IP address, and they provide you with an 800 number. The SSL certificate is something that you would need if you have an e-commerce website, or you're going to build a website that you will be selling products online, to make sure that your website is secured. So you can sign up with any of them. Now once you sign up with HostGator or any of these companies that provide hosting, they're going to send you an email. It has the link to access the cPanel, and also they're going to send you something called name server. Now in this name server, once you have it, it's going to be basically two addresses that you're going to use to let basically the GoDaddy or whoever company you bought the domain with know that you're hosting with the new company, which is in this case HostGator. So basically you're pointing your domain at GoDaddy to your hosting company with HostGator. So now, after we find out which web hosting company we want, we sign up for it, they're going to send you the email with the name servers. Now we're going to go to the next step, which is changing the name server. Now all you have to do is go back to where you bought the domain with, which is in this case GoDaddy. You're going to log in, and then you're going to go to my account. You're going to go to your domains, and you're going to look for the domain that you bought, which is in this case would be VideoWordPress.com. and you're going to click launch. And once you click launch and you go to the details for this particular domain, you're going to go down to something called name servers, and you're going to click on set name servers. And you're going to go with this option, the last one, which is I have specific name servers for my domains. And the hosting company, they're going to provide you with 2 name servers. You're going to put the first one here and the second one here, and you're going to click OK. Your changes has been submitted. These changes might take up to 2 hours. It depends on where you bought your domain with, but usually GoDaddy, it takes about a few moments, and this name server would be changed. So I'm going to refresh the page, and there you go. They just updated the name servers to the new server, which is by HostGator. Now all I have to do, I can close this one, and then I'm going to go to the cPanel, which is the hosting company that you purchased. They're going to provide you with a link to go to something called cPanel, and once you go to that link, you're going to enter username and password, and you're going to come up to something like this. Now cPanel is provided by it's a standard thing provided by most hosting companies, and they pretty much look the same as far as the inside. Now here you're going to go to a section called domains. You're going to look for domains. Let's see where they have it. There you go. It's domains, and you're going to go to add-on domains. And at the bottom here, you're going to add the new domain name without the HTTP. So in this case, it's going to be video WordPress tutorial.com, and it's going to create the rest for you. And here you're going to set the password. You can have it generate your own a password for basically the domain, or you can create your own password. So in this case, I'm just going to create my own passwords. Okay, and then I'm going to add domain. Now the domain, the add-on domain video WordPress tutorial.com has been created. Of course, this message means that the switch for the name server was successful. If you haven't changed the name server and you're trying to do this, it's not going to happen. It's going to tell you basically that we're not able to access that domain. So right now, if I go to video WordPress tutorial.com, it's not going to have anything in it because we didn't build the website, but you don't see the GoDaddy information anymore here because now it's switched to the hosting company. And that's it. So I'm just going to give you an overview of what we did. We signed up for the web hosting, we changed the name servers on GoDaddy, and we added the domain to your hosting. Now in the next video, I'll be talking about how to install WordPress on your new domain using the cPanel with your hosting provider. Thank you for your time.